Good morning, children. Today we are going to learn a new poem. The name of the poem is The Coral. This poem is composed by Eleanor Fergian. First of all, we'll come to know the meaning of coral. What is the meaning of coral? Coral is a fight between two or more than two persons, and generally, coral is found between children when they want to something and another one is not ready to give him or her. That time, quarrel happens. And we know that the result of quarrel, even when we were kids, as you are already kids, so you know that quarrel is a common thing. So, in childhood, many children fight with their brothers and sisters, and therefore there is a quarrel. And what happens with the quarrel? And after the quarrel, what is the condition between them? And when quarrel finishes, so what comes out after after the quarrel or at the end. So we'll come to know what happens in this poem and what the poetess wants to say. So let's begin. We'll recite the poem first and then we'll go on explanation. The quarrel. It is common for brothers and sisters to quarrel, although sometimes they may not even be able to say why they quarrel. But how long do such quarrels last? How do they end? It means everyone is aware that quarrel is common between brothers and sisters. Sometimes that quarrel becomes very strong, and when they quarrel, they are not even aware that why they are quarreling. They quarrel on a very petty issue. But how long do such quarrels last? And even we do not come to know that how long it lasts. Might be for 1 hour, might be for half day, or for the whole day, or for some days, or for some months, or for some years. How do they end? And we have to know that how do the children end the quarrel. So in this poem, we will come to know how quarrel starts and how do they come to an end. So we'll recite the poem. You will have also recite the poem. So follow me. I quarreled with my brother. I don't know what about. One thing led to another, and somehow we fell out. The start of it was slight. The end of it was strong. He said he was right, and if he was wrong. Once again, I quarreled with my brother. I don't know what about. One thing led to another, and somehow we fell out. The start of it was slight. The end of it was strong. He said he was right. I knew he was wrong. We hated one another. The afternoon turned black. Then suddenly my brother thumped me on the back. We hated one another. The afternoon turned black. Then suddenly my brother thumped me on the back and said, "Oh, come along. We can't go on all night." And said, "Oh, come along. We can't go on all night." I was in the wrong, so he was in the right. Eleanor Fergian. So this is the poem. How to recite it? I have already recited. You have to recite at home. Now, the choral poem introduction. We'll come to know in short that what is in the poem, what poetess wants to say in the poem. Generally, brothers and sisters quarrel with each other. We know this. It is a very common situation, and this is a common situation at every home wherever there are kids. Many a times they quarrel with each other without any reason, and we know it very well that without any reason we quarrel with our brothers or sisters. Their quarrels begin over very small, petty issues, and how with small kind and the quarrels end. See, their quarrels begin over very small or petty issues, and how with a small kind act the quarrels end, and with a kind act quarrels end also. It is very mystic and beautiful, and this is very mystical and beautiful that how quarrel starts, no one knows, therefore it is mystical thing, and how it ends, it is a beautiful thing. So let's read this poem to feel the same. So we'll come to know about the summary, the choral poem summary. So let's begin. The poet is trying to explain how a quarrel between two brothers began and ended without any reason. Children, I want to tell you one thing in this. Here, brother or sister, so we will consider here one brother is there and one sister is there. So, we'll have to understand it clearly. And if instead of brother or instead of sister, brother, this word is used here, therefore we have to correct it. So, anyway, I will correct it, you have to listen it carefully. The poet is trying to explain how a quarrel between two brothers began. Here, the poet is trying to explain how a quarrel between a brother and sister began and ended without any reason. The poet says that he quarreled with the poet says that here the poetess says that she quarreled with his brother over something and he was not even aware why he was quarreling about. The poetess says that she quarreled with his brother no. The poetess says that she quarreled with her brother over something and she was not even aware why he was quarreling about. One thing was giving way to another, and while fighting, both of them fell down. When they were fighting, one question started arising to the second question. One question gave way to the second question, and second question gave way to the third question, and so on. And both of them fell down. Initially, it was a small, petty issue, but gradually it became serious. The poet was claiming to be right, whereas at heart he knew that he was wrong. Here the poet or poetess was right. She was thinking that she was right, but whereas she knew that her brother was wrong. Both of them didn't like one another, and a time came that time they were not liking each other. In the afternoon, something went wrong, and at the time of afternoon, something went wrong. Then suddenly his brother hit him on the back. Then her brother, not his brother, then her brother hit her on the back and asked her to come along, as it is not possible or right to linger the issues throughout the night. And when her brother came, he hit her back and said that it is not possible or right to linger the issue throughout the night. He also claimed to be on the wrong side, and at the end, her brother claimed that he was wrong. So, he was actually right. It shows his generosity. And Poetus also came to know that his brother accepted his mistake, that he was wrong. And Poetus says that he was wrong. Now he has become right, because when he accepted his mistake, he became right, and it shows his generosity, and this shows that he is very generous. Here we'll go through stanza and explanation. The choral poem explanation. I quarreled with my brother and don't know what about. One thing led to another and somehow we fell out. The start of it was slight, the end of it was wrong. He said he was right, I knew he was wrong. Here slight means small or modest, and quarrel means fought. Okay, children, these are two somehow difficult words, so meanings are given here. We'll go now through explanation. The poet had a fight with his brother. Here, if we consider two brothers, then his brother. If we consider one girl and one boy, then we have to say the poetess had a fight with her brother. Both of them were fighting, and both of them were not even aware of the cause of the fight was. See, the poet had a fight with her brother, and both of them were fighting, but children, both of them were not aware that why they were fighting. The fight was happening because of a serious series of things. That fight started because of there might be some cause that was going on, and that quarrel started between them. One thing was giving way to another, and whatever argument was going on between them, one argument was giving way to another argument. While fighting, both fell down, and when they were fighting, they fell down. In the beginning, the fight was modest. See, at the beginning, there is always, when there is a start of quarrel, there is always a slight beginning, but it turns into a strong beginning. And was not very serious at the beginning. The fight was not serious, but gradually, but with passage of time, it grew intense and became a serious issue. And gradually, became intense. It became serious. The quarrel became serious. His brother said, his brother said that he was right. See, here again, his instead of his, we will say her brother. The poetess brother said that he was right. Actually, poetess was aware that her brother is not right. So, her brother was saying that he was right, whereas the poetess was aware that he is wrong. Whereas the narrator means poetess was thinking herself on the right side, and poetess was thinking that she herself was on the right side. Now, this was the explanation of first stanza. We'll go on the second stanza. We hated one another, the afternoon turned black, then suddenly my brother thumped me on the back and said, "Oh, come along, we can't go on all night." I was in the wrong, so he was in the right. Here, thumb means hit on the back, and turn black means to become unpleasant. Now, we'll go for the explanation. In the noon, the fight became serious, and both started hitting each other. See, as the noon, as in the noon, in the noon, the fight became serious. When they were quarreling at the beginning, it was a slight quarrel, but with the passage of time, the fight became serious, and both of them started hating each other. Really, it happens in our childhood. A quarrel starts with a petty issue, but when we start fighting, it becomes serious and we start hating each other. And same thing happened here. Poetess and her brother started fighting with each other, and at noon, they started hating each other. They didn't like one another. And it happens, we don't like that time, we don't like one another. All of a sudden, poet's brother hit her on the back and asked her to get along as it was not the right thing to pull the matter throughout the night. And all of a sudden, what happens? Poetess' brother's mind changes and he taps on the back of Poetess. And when he taps on the back of Poetess, he asks to Poetess that it is not right to pull the matter throughout the night. And Poetess' brother comes to know that if they will fight like this, nothing is going to happen. They will hate each other and they will not have good times. So, when Poetess' brother comes to know that he was wrong, so he comes to Poetess. He taps on the back of the Poetess, and he says to Poetess that it was not the right thing to pull the matter throughout the night. And Poetess' brother said that it is not right to pull this matter throughout the night because night will spoil, even next day will be spoiled, and this day is already spoiled. He also declared humbly that he was wrong, and he accepted his mistake that he was wrong, and that was the good thing. The poet's brother accepted the mistake that he was wrong, which proved his generosity. When a poet's brother accepted that he was wrong, it shows that the poet's brother was very generous. This moved the poet's heart, and this made the poetess that she also had also forgiven him. This moved the poet's heart, and he realized that he was wrong. Then she realized. Here we have to say she realized that she was wrong. So this moved the poet's heart. Whatever was the cause of the quarrel, the poetess' mood was not good. And when she comes to know that her brother had apologized for his mistakes, at that time poetess's mood became happy. She had forgiven to her brother, and she realized that he was wrong. Means now he became right, because when once someone accepts his mistake, that time he becomes right. If he is accepting his mistake, he becomes right. And therefore poetess says that when he accepted his mistake, that he was wrong, that time he became right. So he was in the right. Here we finish the poem, children. I hope you have understood it very well. Go through the video at least 2 times so that you can understand it properly. And still, if there are some mistakes, I will send you a summary of it and you can go through so that you can have good understanding. Okay, children. Thank you, children. Stay home, stay safe. Have a nice day.